Morning, Mark.
Morning. Good morning, Christian. Good morning. Let's move this over here. Good morning. Let me pull this down. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a nice little bank holiday over here, if you've had one. So, welcome to Tuesday, the 11th. Looking like it's going to be quite a good day, especially in terms of GJ. So yeah, we'll get into this in a second. We'll get everyone filled in, and then we should be raring to go. Good morning, Ada. Good morning, Killagoon. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Louise. Morning. Yeah, let's first take a look at some charts over here. I think JC put some charts in over here. Very nice. Okay, so looking for a buy above 165,668. Sorry. Yeah, it looks good. I've been eyeing that up already this morning. I think actually even a buy above the bodies would be fine. The zone above is very clean to 166,100. So very happy with this zone. This looks pretty nice to continue there. Very good. In terms of Goldie, looking for maybe a buy above 2003, yeah. I think 2003 is where I'd want it to close above. Maybe a little bit further, maybe above this support there. But actually looks pretty much on it. Yeah, see what we can react to there. It's a little bit hard because this is not the easiest area to see with this gold, but I think that'd probably be the easiest. So yeah. There's no sign. He's got that one on mute. I have no idea. So yeah, welcome everyone. Good morning. It is the 11th of April now. Wow. So let's get into this, right? So first things first, we'll go through GJ. First things first here on the daily timing, a beautiful closure above all of the resistance previous, which is great. It's the highest point it's been this year, which is good. Very strong daily candle closure. Always expect price to continue bullish there, which would be nice. So let me just write this on. There we go. Okay, so there's the daily line. There's the daily flip line. The 4-hour time frame looking like it's kind of ranged through Asian session. Didn't really do too much, which is fine. It's good for me. It means normally London session will bring in the volume. Okay, so here's the 4-hour flip. I'll put that there as well. Looking like it's still respecting 165.350, which is nice to see. Take a look then at the hourly and the 30-minute time frame started to go down through time frames. What would we potentially see here? Well, obviously we have a resistance which is at 165.600 level. We look above there. All we have is clean candles all the way up to 166.200 level right here. So that is obviously a very big area of interest, which I'd like to take advantage of if we get to there. Mainly for the fact it's very clean, obviously with direction as well, which is great. So that would be great to take a buy if we do get a closure above there, potentially. In terms of sells, obviously we have a little support here, which is kind of, we pushed down and then we pushed straight back up. Would I want to take sells below there right now? Probably not. I wouldn't want to do that yet. I think it's still quite bullish. Where would I want to take sells potentially? Probably be below this level here. Back closing below 164.640 to continue and push into 164.227. I think that would be a decent zone for the sells potentially. Now, could I take the sells below, from this level, from there to there? Well, I could do, but I think maybe later on, right? Maybe when we come to the highs and later on we can make it as a certain level. Yeah, I mean, how big would this be? Yeah, it's 27 pips there, 16 to the wicks. So that could be okay for later on, but I think at the moment I want to focus on the buys really above this level. What about the 5-minute trend line on gold? I think it may already have had one. Let's see. Oh no. Yeah, I mean, maybe we'll see if you can have this as resistance potentially, then maybe a closure above later on to continue back up to like 2006. Yeah, that would be nice. You've got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Yeah, that could be pretty good. Potentially later on, but I will go through that in a second. So yeah, that's me for GJ. Very simple. Just how we like it. A closure above 165.600 there would be beautiful. I think that would be great success in terms of buys there. So yeah, any sort of 30-minute closure above would be beautiful for us to fill. Obviously 166 good level to get to first, then 166.200 would be great. Okay, let's take a look in terms of Goldie over here. Daily time frame did close bearish, did close below previous resistance as well, so we've got to be careful with that. We did still close bearish. Have reacted off that level pretty hard yesterday. Really wanted to take them sells below, but I just couldn't find really a closure. It was just all impulses. So yeah, looking like, can you see here on the 4-hour time frame, we was respected 1988 previous level and started to close above it. The 4-hour time frame's closed above previous, so it looks good for this to continue really. Taking a look at the hourly and the 30-minute, yeah, we do have some sort of resistance right at this level here, 2002. Okay, how does that look like in the hourly? Yeah, it's just above there. So, I mean, yeah, potentially maybe a buy above 2002, because if we do get a closure above there, what did price do before? Well, we've reacted off it pretty hard all the way up to 2006, even some to 2012. So I think that could be pretty decent, to be honest. What up, Dr. Dollar, my man? Good morning, good morning. So yeah, I do think potentially maybe buys above this level later on, 2002. Because realistically, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we do expect this to continue. We've closed above everything. We've closed above this resistance, closed above this resistance, and this one. So I do think a closure above should expect this to continue, and this is quite clean on the 4-hour. So I think that would be nice potentially later on. Sells, where would I want to take sells? Probably going to be potentially below. I mean, 1996 could be a level later on. Because it's the same level that I had it marked down yesterday. Potentially 2006, potentially even at 2005, that kind of area. Because you move very, very quickly below. Yeah, I'm probably going to put it here. Below 1995.5, because then we'll be below them wicks, kind of a nice strong closure to continue and fill that range back down to these levels, and then maybe further. What about below 1887? Take a look to the left hand side. What do we have? Well, we have a good wick to fill, right? Back down to 1980. That could be quite nice, and back to maybe 1978. So a closure in that range, I think, would be also pretty nice for sells. It's a very big zone, so we can easily take some pips out of there. That'd be solid. Let me put that on there. Good stuff. And yeah, it looks pretty simple in terms of Goldie as well. Not too bad, not too bad. Had a big run up through Asian session, which is great. Yeah, that closure above there wasn't too bad at 3 AM, to be fair. To refill that range. So yeah, we'll just have to wait for this GJ to get its ass into gear. Let me just go for EJ as well. EJ doesn't really look the nicest in terms of higher time frame. Why? Well, because the daily hasn't closed above resistance. It's still at this level where it could reject. So yeah, let's put this on here. Max, good morning. When do you make 2 entries? Sometimes I use double lots when I feel confident in the move. Sometimes it'll do 2 trades or 2 pairs, which I did last week, I think. So yeah, you can see here quite choppy price action. I'm not really the best fan of EJ here. Sells below 144.498 would be nice. Why? Well, because that zone below is hella clean. Back down to 144.115. That's where my sells would be. Yeah, I think that would be class, because that zone in itself is 40 pips and it moves very, very quickly below. In terms of potential buys, yeah, we've got all this traffic here really that we need to get above. And let's take a look at what we have above here. Yeah, there's quite a lot of traffic there as well. So there is resistance there, but there's also resistance all the way there. So I think I'd rather get it breaking everything than getting in a bit too early. on EJ. So next thing you've got to do, you go buys above, found potentially a zone that we may like to get a closure above, but what we've got to go and find and see is if it's clean above there. So that is what we'll do. You can see. So 547, yeah, I could get up to maybe 800 first. Like there. And then potentially further to, you know, these highs. These are some little targets that we could potentially take. So that is great. Anywhere else for sells? Yeah, obviously down there would be great for sells, but that's, you know, very, very far away. Very far away, but we know when we get to there, we're going to have some nice trades. Back down to, so 142 at 570, all the way back to 142.013. Because that is a hella clean zone, boy. Very nice. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do over here. Pretty good, pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. Finding where the clean zones are, just what we do every morning. So we're ready to go. Yeah, I don't know why Yugi has that as that one's muted. I do not know. I do not know. So yeah, good stuff, man. Obviously, it's still very, very early, still 6:42. We've got a lot of time in this beautiful session. So, and it's also the first London Open since, like, you know, Thursday or whatever. So it should have quite a lot of volume, which is great. And that'll do us a world of good. So yeah, there's a big ass meaty trend line. So yeah, with confidence of that and a closure above, that would be great. Very, very nice. So how was everyone's weekend? Hope you had a good time. I sure did. Yeah, yesterday was nice, man. I was really, really wanting them gold sells. We just couldn't really get in. I wanted a closure below here, and this candle just rinsed the whole zone. So the only way to have really got in there is just the break of that low, just taking a bit of an impulse. Yeah, the retest was good. There was actually a trendline retest as well. That 15 close and bearish wasn't too bad as well, actually, to be fair. It was also an M retest, because this M formation here didn't retest there, so it came all the way back up and then just died.
Do you remember what I said yesterday?
Yeah, boy.
I got in on the first 15 bearish, and I had the stops above that candle.
Oh,
and then
nice.
it came back to retest, and when it printed the bearish again, I entered again, like 2 positions, and I ran into 95, I think.
Beautiful. Nice.
Yeah, man, I was in the gym and it just kept dropping. I was like, let me secure this before.
Yeah, it was pushing down hard, man. Yeah, once it got below like 91 as well, I was like, yeah, this is gonna push at least to 87, which it did pretty easily, and then messed around a little bit here, but it did eventually start pushing to 82. Very nice. Already broken the previous 30-minute low already, Goldie. So it's definitely tapped 2000 again. Seems to really expect that zone at the moment. 2000 is a big little level. Let me where is it? Max, when you take 2 entries, I've already answered that like 3 times before you asked 3 times ago. So yeah, we'll see. I really want these gold buys, to be honest. I think this is a great example because we've got a great bullish structure. We've got a beautiful daily closure above. We've got a beautiful 4-hour respecting support. We've still got such a nice clean zone above. So hopefully that'll be the trade of the morning, really. And that's the one that looks the best. So yeah, we'll see. Man, I had Nando's yesterday and it was so good. Oh, we got a little mic issue again. No. So yeah, we'll see what we can get over here. In terms of last week, guys, yeah, we took a trade in on the 6th. We took the gold sells right here. Took this trade here. Celery play, break at the low, stop loss above current. Target was like 2,000. And we ran down nicely, so that was a nice little pips that we got caught there. I used to work at Nando's and get 40%. Yeah, I used to work at Nando's as well. I used to be a griller. I did it for like a year. Did you catch Wrexham? Yeah, I watched Wrexham. You saw the Bitcoin pump? Yeah, I think it's yeah, it's pushed pretty hard, eh? Still got a long way to go, though. I mean, yeah, it got to 15,000 to be fair. It's doubled. The next Ben Foster vlog is gonna be great. Yes, I know. It's gonna be sick. Has he not put it out yet? He'll probably do it today, won't he? So yeah, tonight Manchester City versus Bayern Munich. Oh, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Could you do us a favor and lose to Arsenal, please? I need this one league title. When are Newcastle playing? We got Aston Villa. That much Champions Day? Yep. Champions League. I do love Champions League, like, good shit. Also, please beat Spurs. Hopefully. Yeah, I don't really like the national football. I like Champions League and Prem. They're the best ones, man. They're the best ones. So yeah, quite a strong bearish closure on the 15. 3 minutes still open. Just got a big resistance. Got a big area that it seems to hold it right at 2,000 level. Did it all of yesterday as well. There was a nice GJ buy support forming here, but as I say, I wasn't trading it through bank holiday, but it was nice, good stuff. Price retested. It was pretty good. It was pretty nice. Yeah, in terms of gold, it's been interesting because it's still it's pushed down, but it's never like properly pushed. It's always like got to a level, then struggled and retraced pretty much the whole move. So it's still very, very bullish, I'd say. I think it's still pretty bullish. I do expect it to still continue, really. It's just the zones are maybe not as easy to see. I do think though a buy above 2002 would be decent to get to at least. I mean, this little level here, 2005. But that is just the end of the day, really. It was at 11 o'clock, so probably to go retest, 2010 would be pretty realistic. I think. I'm fairly new here, so you may have to say this before, but did you ever do a funded account? Yeah, I did funded talent for 9 months. Yeah. 9 months. So yeah, I mean, obviously 10 minutes left for this new hourly to close. Looking like maybe it's a little bit slower volume at the moment, but it normally is in the mornings. Oh, there you go then. Yeah, you got extension. That's not bad. That's not bad to have. It's quite good that they do that. I think it's quite nice, you know. So, because it's not fair if you're profitable, just didn't hit the mark. You shouldn't really lose it. It's a bit of a dick move. What is the best way to identify and understand non-linearity and how it relates to the formation of candles, patterns in market structure given sentiment and current market conditions? That's a very long-worded, too confusing for me. All I'm looking for is a closure in a clean range. That's all I'm doing. Keep it as simple as you think. All of the news, you know, all you've got to look at is look at the trend. Right, we're bullish, so I'd prefer buys. Look at where the clean zones are. Well, if I'm bullish, then probably taking the sells here may be a little bit hard just of how bullish we are. So I'd potentially would rather close back into a previous zone. So this would be called like a zone 2 breakout that Dom would call. So this is the zone you're in right now. Let's call this zone 0. This is zone 1. If we close into zone 2, then, you know, we're going for 2 ranges to then close bearish, which would be fine. But for the most part, we're looking for buys. If we get a closure back into zone 1 up here, we've got such a clean zone in this area, which is what I'm wanting. And I can take my little piece out of the market there. People just try to complicate things. Yeah, I feel if you just go on the Sims and find the clean zones, yeah, it's all you really need. It's all you need. 132 people already this morning. Amazing stuff. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I sure did. Being a Superman. I did the Superman Otley run. That was great stuff. This is already quite good. This look at, can you see we've got 6 minutes left. We seem to be rejecting this daily flip already twice, which is good. It's a good sign. It is a very, very good sign. Looking like on the, yeah, starting to make maybe a little bit of a W as well. I followed you on Instagram yesterday, and since then I've had 3 other Stop Loss Matters accounts follow me. Yeah, there's quite a lot. Matt, where are you in the UK from? I'm from Newcastle. So far this one's 10 losses, 1 break even, 6 wins, 50% up on the month. Oh, very nice. So you got a good R to R there. Keep your losses small and your winners run longer. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that rejection on Goldie. Damn. Did not like it up there, eh? Did not like them buys. 4 hours just making the lower wick though. Hasn't really made one before, so that's okay. Still got a lot of time in the candle, you know, 3 hours, so. Good morning, Maxi Boy. Love from Melbourne. Oh, yes, Melbourne. So yeah, we'll watch that. Is there any other Champions League matches on today? Benfica Inter. Ah, very nice. Oh shit! Yeah, it's gonna be João Cancelo's gonna be there. Would you consider the closure back in the range, or is it too early? What's this for? Oh, for gold, it's not really closed above the zone, so it needs to be closing back in the Asian range, but it also needs to be faking out the previous zone. Like this is the zone they're in, so it needs to really come above, then close back below, and you can take it. So yeah, I wouldn't really look at it yet. My biggest loss is the same as my smallest win. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Very nice. So we've got 4 minutes left until 7 o'clock, and then maybe the next 30-minute candle will get a closure. Obviously, the zone above is so big, I don't need to worry about getting in too early. The zone's huge. But it's already good signs that they're making these nice low wicks in this area, which is good. Possible buys in GU clean candles. Yeah. Make sure to send me a chart if you can. I'll take a look at them. I come from the future. Gold will rise. Will rise. Very nice. Right now, though, it is pumping down. On the broke already 30-minute lows, coming down pretty bearish here. For the hourly, still respecting resistance at 2002. Do you think magic keys are necessary even for a somewhat beginner, or is that overcut? Nah, I think they're great for everyone. Yeah, I'd get them. They're very simple. You just put them on, open calc. It just saves time and effort for changing your percentage. It's definitely needed. Definitely needed. How do you feel about the volume before the 4-hour close at 6 AM on gold? What? How do I feel about the volume before 6 AM? I think it's non-existent normally, so I don't really look at it. Gold fake out on the 15. It hasn't faked out the zone. It's just faked out Asian high, but it hasn't closed above this area. It closed back in it. Maybe on the 15, yeah. I think overall that this is the resistance though. Still played in this zone for me. This is the main resistance. Yeah. 15 resistance is here. So it's just got to close above and then back in it. Last time I said gold was going down in 1983, you guys thought I was crazy. It was a week ago. Probably didn't, to be honest. I probably took the same trades. 83, yeah. I was looking at taking sells here. Look at GJ. Very strong candle. Rejecting the lows again. So closing now, 30 seconds left. First bullish closure, rejecting the daily flip. So hopefully this next one can continue. And then yeah, we can continue the run on over here. Look on the 1 hour on gold, a candle with a small body and big tail that Rajat talks about. When breaks the high impulse entry. Little impulse over here. So good start. Looking like there's a lot of volume coming in over here. Already moved quite a bit. Yeah, 5 pips already. Not bad. And the volume's kicking in. Hey Max, is there a difference for gold support at 97 and 95.5? So 97, if you do it here, I mean the issue that I have is that this res is right there, and I feel it could be pretty slow. Oh yeah, it's on the 15. Look, there's a little bit of choppiness here. If I just highlight this out, there, and there, there's a little bit of choppiness. If I just get rid of all that, then what have I got below? Then I've just got a clean zone below. I've got this resistance. If you just close below that, we're good. So yeah, that's why I put it below there. Just to avoid this little shitty 50-minute support. Ah, interesting. Really? How long? How much does YouTube lag? What's the difference? Like a couple of seconds? Uh, 20-ish seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah, fair. Not bad. So looking good. This is looking good. We're flying up, boy. I think it depends where you're from. Yeah, that's true. It depends on your Wi-Fi as well, eh? Hey Max, why do you put stop loss break even after 10 pips instead of letting it run? Thanks. I don't. I put my stop loss to break even when we hit 50% of the stop loss. So if my stop loss is 20 pips, then yeah, I'll go stop loss to break even at 10. If my stop loss is 50 pips, I'll go stop loss to break even around about the 25 pip mark. Yes. Yeah, I saw on the when we went on the Sims, realized that the 50% mark was the safest one. If it reverses from there, it can be a little bit of a pain. So let's go. Hopefully a clean day. Yeah, I think it should be good. If we get a solid 50-minute closure, I'll probably still look at trying to take this GJ. I just feel as long as the 15 is very strong, we're gonna have liftoff over here. To be honest with you, we have liftoff. EJ almost hitting resistance. Yep. The issue is that the zone above is pretty shit until you get to 545, whereas the GJ one's clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. I'm going to wait for the break of the Asian high wick. Ah, very nice. At what point did you quit your day job to go full-time trading. Well, I went straight after uni, so I didn't really have a day job then, but the job opportunities that the graduate schemes are offering me, I was making like 3 times as much, so that's kind of why. New. So yeah, let's take a look here. When you go funded, what account did you go for? Yeah, 100k I had. Hey Max, what makes you decide to put break even at 50% of stop loss, not 10? Because it just worked on the Sims. Sometimes if my stop loss is at 50 pips and I go break even at 10, it's just not giving it enough room. You'll just get break even. So I looked at it, and it got to around about the halfway line and either went to TP or messed around, so that's what I found. It's possible to sell a portion of your trade with a limit order rather than market sell? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean by that. It's possible to order your trade with a limit order. GJ's moving way too quick. Might need to look for a 5-minute entry. Yeah, so I actually did take a little GJ trade over here, just showing people. For me, it looked like a bit of a W, and I kind of wanted to try it out. But for the most part, I'm still waiting for a closure above. I just fancied getting maybe a little bit of an earlier entry over here, trying it out. But for me, in terms of what I could explain to you guys, the only thing is really maybe the W. It didn't really close. It closed maybe a little bit above, but I just wanted to try it myself. But yeah, looking good, man. Looking like we're going to get there, which is great. For potential GJ buys. Okay, we'll look into that, man. Yeah. I'm actually from market fluidity and I want to high rate and manage. Yeah. Sounds good, sounds good. Nothing like a good cup of coffee to set my blood on fire. So if you look at the 4 hour now, yeah, we're pushing up. We've got a great level to get to, at least 165, 800. But realistically, if you look at the 30, we have such clean zone above here. Dome. Was it advisable? Down. Where is it? Let's fix this. What is the biggest lesson you learned in trading that helped you get where you are today? Being able to take an L. Being able to take a losing trade. Yeah, being able to take a losing trade for me is the best one. So yeah, obviously we're still looking at GJ here for potential closures, and Goldie as well. I mean, yeah, obviously the hourly did close bearish, which kind of sucks, but maybe at 8 o'clock we could get above 2002. I think it'll be great. Where would your stop loss be if the 15-minute closed strong? It would be previous 15-minute. So it'd be like 22 pips. Around that area. Yeah, around that area would be decent. No. So yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah, did I put in the trade reviews? Not the trade review, homework review. Yeah, I did.
Let's go for it.
Sick. I did. Wicked. So yeah, watching this trend line because it's got fucking 4 taps, which is pretty nice. So a trend line, all I need is a closure above. You know, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 taps, so it's got a lot of taps over here, which is great. Great success. Hope no more clown behavior on GG last week. So a lot of people in the chat took their little initiative and took that trade as well, which is nice. But yeah, for me, a bit more intuitive. Basically, for the fact that we were getting such nice clean candles here, rejecting that level with good volume coming in. So looking like this Goldie's gonna potentially close over here, which could be interesting. In a minute 44 seconds time. Have you seen the Super Mario movie yet, bro? I fell asleep through it. Apparently it's got a bit of a, you know, it's a lacking a bit of depth, but it is just a Super Mario movie. Like, come on, right, it is meant for kids. Do you know what I've been watching? I watched it last night. Arcane. What a fucking, it's sick. I never think I would like a cartoon or whatever, but it's good stuff. Got sick ratings. Like, I've got to watch it. Yeah, it's sick. I was hooked in it, watching it in bed last night. And is it about League of Legends? Like, is the game kind of like that? Is it like to do with that magic and shit, or is it completely sort of separate? Max, where is your Superman suit? It is in the wardrobe. It is in my superhero wardrobe. It got me back playing it. Sick. Okay, so we've had a closure on GJ over here, which is great. Break of the high would be better at 654, making a nice little wick now. So I've got a buy stop on over here on the break of the high, stop loss below the previous 50-minute candle. Why? I just think it's a very, very strong closure. And yeah, making a beautiful lower wick as well. So yeah, got a buy stop on over here. Goldie hasn't closed above yet. That's fine. Where's targets? Well, 166 is going to be nice. 166,200 is going to be nice too. Oh no. 1 second. Let me just fix the fucking pips. There we go. And then 166,200. Great stuff. Love it when it makes a little wick like that, especially on a 15. It's great stuff. What was the stop? Stop's going to be here. It's going to be on my terminal like 436. Max, you a League player? Nope, never played it ever. My flatmate at uni used to play it quite a lot. Yeah. Used to play it a lot. Max, don't play League, it is a curse. Been on and off it for 10 years, wow. So, GJ's just retesting this level. Obviously, if it wants to reject, then it can happily push down, but if we reflip and break that high, we're going to get a nice push. Yeah, don't get into the game. Play WoW. Doom, doom, doom. Don't tell me that this was a fake out. It is 3 minutes into the candle. You've got to remember that. It's got a lot of time. Didn't you not take 15 trades? Yeah, I don't, but this one I've got to take this one, man. This is a closure, a very strong closure above and a beautiful lower wick. I'd be silly not to take it. But yeah, I'm not really taking 15s. It's just when the zone's so clean, when the candles close so nice and the lower wick's so nice, I can't miss that. That'd just be silly. The stop loss in the signals is 50 pips. No, I've changed it now. It's 20. Oh, gold buys incoming. Yep. Stop would be like 1998.4. Take profit would be 2006, it looks like, yeah. And then potentially to 2010, if you can get to there, that would be spiffing. Wow, look at that GJ. Oh my god. Beautiful low wick. 9 minutes left. Still got a lot of time. Can I send you my chart? Yes, sir. Send as many charts as you'd like. So, the issue with this trend line is it is at 30-minute res, which is a bit annoying. So you could either wait 8 minutes time for the 30-minute to close. It's probably the easiest way. It is only 8 minutes. I think that's probably going to be the easiest. Your stop loss gonna hit soon on GJ? Yes, haha, because guess what? I'm not in it, you fucking idiot. I've got a buy stop there, and I'm not in yet. I already took my money in the last trade. But yeah, if it breaks that low there, then I'm gonna leave it. So yeah, I'm going to wait 8 minutes for this closure, because I think if we get this closure above, it's going to be great for us to continue to 2006, 2010. That would be great. Max, do you know most of the people on this YouTube live are here to copy trade you, right? Well, that's fine. That's what I did. So, has it broke the low yet? Nope. Still got half of the time of the candle, which is great for it to reflip, so... City versus Bayern today. Oh, it's gonna be a great game. It's gonna be very nice. GJ sells below 165,200. Maybe now, yeah. Yeah, if it rejects the high, yeah. I still think these buys are good. Just had quite a big reject and pull down there, but if we reject this zone, which is looking like we're maybe doing, if we come back up, break that high, we'll be ready for liftoff. Could possibly be a celery, yep. $50 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. We're relaxing, waiting for our first trade opportunity. What about the support on the 15 to the left of GJ? What, that? Nah, it's Fugazi. It's nothing. It's 28 pips away. We can deal with it when we get to it. Can maybe go break even there. Trading more boring than old grannies telling stories. It's not meant to be fun. If you're having too much fun, you may be gambling. It's got to be painstakingly boring. Money ain't boring though, Max, from trading. Exactly. There we go, there's gold rejecting. And that's why I'm going to wait for a closure over here. I used to put orders in, close my phone, and hope. Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. Cannot be doing that. Look at that rejection. Down, down. So yeah, just waiting for that closure above 2002. I've heard blowing on the screen actually pushes the candle in direction. 2 minutes left, already rejecting this zone, which is good. It's a good sign. Do, 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 do. Have you watched The Office? Yeah, I've watched the American one, but I haven't watched the UK one. Would you delete if the 30-minute doesn't close above? Yeah, potentially. We'll see how this closes. You'll see how this closes. If it closes weak bearish, then I still think the celery is going to be good. But if it closes in the zone, then yeah, we have to delete it over here. Yeah, it looked like EJ rejected a little bit as well. Just a little bit. If it doesn't engulf the candle, then it should be okay, I think. Yeah, I think so, yeah. Yeah, I still quite like this celery. I'm having, obviously the break, the high is okay. I mean, the 30-minute time frame is closed. So it's down to you. I mean, what you could do is potentially wait for another closure. That is what you can do. I'm going to give it a little bit of time. If it breaks that low, then probably I'm going to leave it. But I think... I have a feeling when this volume kicks in, we're gonna push pretty hard, and I don't want to miss it. Stop loss would be 445 now. Yeah, I like how it's already making supports. The 5 minutes just retraced a little bit. Looks okay. Yep. So yeah, it's down to you, you know. You can take the break of the high, which is what I'm going to do with a celery. Or you can just wait for another candle. It's down to you. Do do do. Have you seen that bank trader saying regional traders are BS? His ads everywhere. Yeah, probably. They're rather annoying, them adverts, aren't they? So yeah, the reason why I still like this, I know the 30-minute hasn't closed above, but the 15's closed bearish. It didn't engulf and come back in the zone. It came all the way back down, rejected. The 5 minutes are already making some support. So I think for me, it's worth it for the break of the high over here. Bitcoin past 30k. Yeah. Could you have a more of an aggressive stop there? Yeah, you could do. I think I just want to manage accordingly to there, though, so. Yes, sir. Kind of weird how he didn't get the push straight away. Yeah, sometimes price likes to come retrace. Really want to see if it wants to leave that zone, and it looks like it does. Down, 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 down. Even gold buys. Very nice. Okay, I am in a trade over here. Stop loss below previous. Let's continue bullish. About to engulf the previous, yep. Hopefully it doesn't push too much. So if you're looking left at this zone, it's just hella clean, boy. Hello. Even if 30 closed below, yeah. After placing the buy stop on the 15. Why don't we delete? Because the celery play is a way to get into these trades, right? Celery play is an impulse kind of entry, but it's with volume. Obviously, have a lot of volume. When we break the high, especially at a zone, we normally get a good drive. That's basically where it comes from. Yeah, so if you look at the celery plays in my diagrams here, it's when it's breaking out of a zone or potentially about to break out of a zone. How will I manage? Well, if it closes, you know, bearish, then or back in the zone. 15. That is how I will manage. Because technically, yeah, it didn't close above, but it's a celery, you know. 5 minute closed above. A lot of volume. And the 15 also didn't make a lower wick, so it, you know, didn't even get that time to break the high. Dum 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 dum. Has your thing been activated? Yes. Do you ever buy with rejection support or retest rather than the break of the high? Yeah, I also took a buy here as well. So yeah. Sometimes I will. Is it because it's celery? Yeah, but it's also a very strong closure and just overall direction. I feel it's worth it. Also breaking previous 4-hour highs. It just needs to get past our fucking entry. But yeah, if you want to be safer, then you just wait for the 30 closure, right? You can do that. Hello, Daniel, my man. Hello, hello. Waiting for the 15 to close yet. Good idea if you're not in yet, because it hasn't driven yet. Can we skip to the next candle? Skip to the next candle, boy. Let's take a look at Goldie. It's still playing there at the moment, not really doing much yet. No, not yet. Don't really like this silly kind. There's a first trader challenge. Yeah, exactly. Wait a little bit longer, brother. Where can I find the button for immediate 200% profits? How far do you go on support resistance, bro? Oh, is it most recent? Yeah, just whatever's most recent. Like, unless you go into a new zone, you haven't yet, then there's nothing there. But yeah, most recent, so you can see most recent prices here. Yeah. No. Are you in a trade now? Oh my god. Lord have mercy.
I wouldn't even read those comments anymore. I'd just be like, it's just a good. The fuck? I have an entry a bit lower in, which I want to hold the whole way.
I think that would be good. What price?
I'm in at 165,579.
Yeah.
It's not that deep.
Yeah, it's good though. It's good.
If we retest, and then we might retest the wick, now it might be safe to hold it on.
Oh shit! 1 second. There we go. Let me take this off. Forgot that people read that. Yeah. To be fair, it happened last week as well. I'm pretty sure. Like, why is everyone asking me if I'm in or not? It says not activated. So 15 closed above, which is good. Yeah, Goldie not there yet. Just gotta wait a little longer. No. So when this 30-minute closes, I'll move my stop. If not a break even yet, I'll move my stop loss to that low. because that'll be the 30-minute low. How much is that there? It's like 14. Not bad. One pivot and profit stop loss to break even. Broke 4-hour highs. Look at this daily candle. No low wick on this current 15. Hopefully it still continues. Yeah, it's still a nice closure above. It's still, you know, for me, you just go through everything, right? Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, broke previous high. Hourly's bullish, broke previous high. 30 minutes broke previous high. 50 minutes close above. Everything's in my favor. The zone is hella clean. So, you know, if I lose this trade, then that's tough shit. I know that if I do this trade 30 million times with a clean zone like that, it's going to be pretty good. I will close 50% if this flips. Fair. Fair dues. Meet on 15-minute flip. Nice. Dum 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 dum.
I wasn't even looking at it. That's nice.
Yes, sir. Do, 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 do. Look at EJ. Yeah, it's not really doing anything. But why? Because the zone to the left is shit. So not gonna go break even yet. I only got like 8 pips, I think, maybe 10. Max, why break even line so high? That's where the level of resistance is. That's where I need to go break even on the higher time frame, but it's just a little guide for me to go, right, I need to go actually break even here, because if you look here, it's the 4-hour res.
I'm gonna take some positions off at that level.
Yeah, you can do. Yeah, because you're up a bit more, aren't you? You're up quite a bit. Like 20, maybe.
Yes, come on.
Okay, I'm going stop loss to break even over here. Risk-free trade.
I'm gonna hit 3-4% on this trade.
Nice. So this is the issue you got, right? So coming up over here, really, really good stuff. 10 minutes left for 8 o'clock. You can either decide to close some before, because the 8 o'clock may have to make a lower wick, or you can potentially try and hold this. Down to you. I'm gonna hold.
Yeah, so what I did is I had entries of 1% because I risked 2% per trade. So I had like 3 entries, one at the break, the same as yours, and then one on the 15-minute close and one a bit lower. So I closed 2. I'm just gonna hold this last one at break even.
Very nice. Just past phase 1. Let's go. Let's go. Another person in the mentorship passing another phase. Let's go. Let's go.
It is actually crazy how better my trading has got since I've joined the community.
There you go.
So if there's anyone in the YouTube chat who's doubting it, invest in yourself.
You serious, sir? I'm just a bit cautious of this fucking hourly making a lower wick and tapping me out, so I may close some over here. It's a hard one, man. You could either hold up like 14, 15 pips.
What's your stop loss?
650. It's right at where this hourly could retest.
Yeah, I would close some.
Yeah, I'm watching the 1 minute. I'm just watching this fucking push a little bit more. Come on. Break that high. Break that high, Sonny Jim. Down, down, down.
All I see is W's on my phone.
Put some dubs in the chat, everyone, squad. Put some fucking dubs, everyone. Put some dubs in the chat.
Master class, bro.
Put some dubs in the chat. I'm watching this 1 minute. Just fucking break that high. Keep on pushing, boy. There we go. Okay, if it comes back to 775, if it doesn't drive here, I'm going to close some. Alright, I'm going to close some now. Yeah, so close some there, guys, just because we're coming towards the 8 o'clock. The 8 o'clock candle can come down, retest my level, stop me out of break even, and then I've taken no trade for no reason. So close there, 13 pips.
Beautiful.
13, 14 pips. As new hourly can make lower wick. Obviously, I hope it's just going to continue here, but I do know that we could potentially make, you know, especially with a retest of a celery. Brian, we always used to go through this, but price likes to come retest a celery to then continue, and that's where my entry is. So, yeah.
I did 3.8%.
Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I closed at like 13 there, 14. Stop loss was. Where the fuck was it there? Stop loss is 20. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Great job. So yeah, now I've got to run around, don't need to worry about it. It can do whatever it wants. Hopefully it can continue, but I do know it could potentially continue back down first. Would you re-enter on the retest? We'll see. The 30-minute candle's quite large now. That's still only 23 pips to be fair. We'll see how the lower wick is. The previous 50-minute candle an IC? Well, that one? No. An IC, see if we can find one. That's an IC there, I think. Oh, pretty nicely. So guys, if you've joined with us in this stream, you guys saw me take a trade. You saw me. I didn't get emotional. I stuck to my plan. I took my trades. I took it at the perfect time because it looks like it's going to retrace over here, ready for 8 o'clock. And for people like asking why I closed there, it's just from backtesting. When 8 o'clock opens, it can retrace quite hard before it opens, then continue. You know, if I'm up 13, 14 pips, stop loss is 20, I'm going to take something. If I had another 20 minutes, then I would have held the trade, but I know the hourly is about to open. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Only 77 likes. Make sure to like it up. From start to finish, where I was taking the trade, why I was taking it. Labosh. Okay, let's go to... Doom, doom, doom. Right, let me do this. Loads of W's in the chat. Took a beautiful GJ trade over here. Got a beautiful 14 pips out of it, which is great. New hourly is about to start. Look at all these W's in the chat. Look at all the W's in this chat as well. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Very, very nice. So let's see if we survive this little lower wick that it's made over here. Closing in 50 seconds. As soon as I took the trade, the internet connection lost and came back at TP level. It's to take care of my emotions. Very nice. That's good then. Yeah, another reason why maybe I also took that as well is because obviously the 4-hour res is right there. So, yeah. What's break even price? What do you mean? You need to put a 1 pip in profit, yeah. Yeah, today I'm actually going to do a video of everything about the broker I use and basically how to work the signals out, because it can be quite confusing for new people. I realize that, so I'm going to do this tonight. Oh, I'm still in. Hopefully that's the lower wick. Hopefully that's the lower wick, because I'm still in, boy. If it breaks that low, I am fucked. Fly! Yeah, so Goldie's just not there yet. Still got to wait a little longer. Spread stopped me out. Well, I am lucky enough to still be in this over here. Break even almost hit. Yeah, it was close. Not close enough. Push, GJ. Can you show an example of how the signals look like? Yeah, so this is it today. GJ buy stop. Where's the entry? Where's the stops? Where's the TPs? Telling you when I close. Telling you when I go break even. all that good shit. I think someone may have just got stopped out of here. No. So hopefully that's the low wick. I'm gonna run the rest to 166 200. My break even is hit. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. It's a fucking unfortunate because this is gonna run, boy. I'm still in, as you can see here. Didn't tap me out, so I'm pretty lucky.
Ready for takeoff.
Yep. Thanks for the pips, Max. Ever thought about doing an in-person workshop? I'm not big enough for that yet. I'll get there. He'll get there. I'm just creasing every time you shout things out.
Do you think Ratchet profits a lot of those? Because it's not that. It's $1,800. It's not that much.
Yeah, well, he'll make it. You know, he'll make a lot, but I mean, that's one trade for a minute. I mean, that's fucking.
Yeah, that's why for him it's not.
But I think in terms of, if you actually think about it, he doesn't really need to trade anymore. He's made quite a lot of money in the past fucking couple of years, and he still can get paid to do this, right? It's not like he's making nothing, and he can travel the world, so it's perfect.
Yeah, I think it's the experience as well.
Yeah, 100%.
When Singapore, did you see the YouTube video?
Yeah.
That's sick, man. I want to go there.
Yeah, he's a good lad. No, GJ, you're looking so ready to go there. It's respecting that 4 hours resistance. Thank you, Tremenson DC. Good lad. Thank you very much. Great job. Great job. Is Goldie there yet? No. Did you secure any partials? Yes. I closed 80% at 13, 14 pips around that mark. Because of this. Because the hourly can sometimes make quite a bit lower. And it also hit 4 hour resistance. Yeah, I'm out. Run a hit break even. Beautiful. If you guys took this 30-minute closure there and you didn't go break even there, then you know why, okay? You need to be able to realize if you got this, because it's still a 30-minute closure above, great stuff, stop loss below. You got up to 12 pips, that's more than 50%, and also it's at the resistance, so you should have got a break even there. If you're holding drawdown now, good luck. I think Dr. Dollar is in over here, and he hasn't closed yet. Oh, no. He closed half at break even. Closed half at break.
I swear he's always in the wrong trades.
Well, he's in the right trade. He took the exact same one as me. He just didn't close.
Yeah, wrong trade. Just gotta get out.
I'm still in just above break even. Yeah, this is rejecting pretty hard now. I'm not gonna lie. I'd be careful. So yeah, I think the next thing over here is just wait for Goldie. I'm just gonna be 2 minutes. Just gonna go say hi to Caitlin because she just woke up. 2 minutes. Oh, look at GJ. It's nothing. It's 8 o'clock volume is no joke. Dum 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 dum. No joke. One second. Okay, update the Excel. Yeah, we'll do. So yeah, I think I'm just waiting for Goldie over here. GJ buy. Breakout celery. 2 celeries in a row, man. 2 celeries in a row, boy. There we go. Added on 2.5% so far for this month. Starting to get on track, which is great. Tyler's on the spreadsheet at the moment. So I love journaling my trades. Yes. If the 3-minute close below, would you take a sell? Potentially. I mean, looking like it's messing around a little bit over here, but maybe if you get that closure. The only issue is, I think not too fair. It's 24 pips. We'll see. We'll see the next 30 minute. So, I quoted to need any updates. Oh, nice, Tyler, my man. Need any updates on the spreadsheet? The only thing, Tyler, the only issue is this column here is wrong. Like, these columns here are wrong. Because if you look here, look, flip is 56% win rate, break of current is 40, 65, 45, 44, which is very, very low. But if you actually go to these, which are correct, 30 minute is 78%, 63, 75, 83, 75. So I think these columns here are wrong. I don't know where they're pulling the numbers from. That's the only thing that's wrong with it. Yeah. GJ hella bullish. Yeah, it's doing all right. It just came to that 4-hour res, right? Came to that 4-hour res. It's there for a reason. You got to acknowledge it. On the YTD, what does that mean, Tyler? Doom 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 doom. This one. Oh, year to date. It's on all of them, I think. I think it's on oh no, this is right. I think. 30 minute. Yeah, these are okay, I think, in the normal. Yeah, these are okay. I think it's just when it's moved to the year to date, year stats are wrong, yeah. Do you have a link to subscribe to your mentorship? Yeah, the link is here. Yeah, so in terms of the mentorship, like last week we did 3 simulation sessions. So we go through sims because I feel for me a lot of mentorships don't really do as many sims as I think you should do. Like we do 2 a week every single week, sometimes 3. We do homework as well. Not other FOREX kind of mentor does any homework. I do homework every bi-weekly. Obviously you've got access to all the G drive, so you've basically got access to a full course whilst also getting signals, whilst also getting more simulations and more webinars added every week for only £50 a month. It's the cheapest one out there. It's the most effort out there as well. That's why I've got like nearly 200 members now. I've got 160 I think it is. Yeah. Sims are essential. Yeah, we do sims all the time. Like if you look in the chat, we have sims coming out of our ass. Like last week we had Gold Sim September, GJ December 2021, Gold August Sim 2021. We just continue them on, and then at the end of like the month I'll go on the G drive and then I'll add them into these gold sims, these areas. Gold sims there. The homeworks are all there, so you can look at the homeworks. Obviously you get all of the setups. You get all of the webinars, so advanced knowledge, you have beginner knowledge, you have psychology, all that kind of stuff. Only for £50 a month, it's worth it. Max, that's sus. What's sus? Looking like GJ's reflipping over here. My god, it's on some X Games mode at the moment. I mean, nice. Been a bit wild, hasn't it? It's kind of wild. Respecting 600 still though, so yeah, 5 minute coming back up. So yeah, a minute left. I don't really like how it's just nuked down so hard there. What could you do? I mean, the break of the high, stop loss above the current could be okay. It is at the 4-hour res though, so I think I want to wait for maybe another closure. Just get this here. Stop loss would be 25 pips, TP would be 42. What's Goldie doing? Nothing yet. Do you have FX replay? No, I haven't actually. I haven't tried FX replay yet. Minute didn't really close above. It's okay. I'm probably gonna wait for another 30 closure. Max, how many trades do you normally take a day? Probably like 1 or 2. Meow, meow. Sometimes there's more, you know. Sometimes, I mean, last week on one of the days you took like fucking like 4. So it just depends on the day, you know. Depends on the day. A Lambo when. Make sure you like the stream, guys. 100 likes, 150 likes, and I might do a Magic Keys giveaway. Magic keys giveaway. This is the risk management tool. Very, very good. If you get 150 likes, I'll probably do that. So yeah, as I said, now I'm probably just gonna wait for these gold buys above. I think that'd be great, and maybe potential another buy above on GJ if you get that closure in 50 minutes or so. I think that would be awesome. I just know for me 3 trades a day is my maximum, because after the 3rd I start to go on tilt and lose profits. Yeah, I don't really mind too much about the number now, because I just know where to take my trades, you know. If it's a clean zone, then I'm going to take it. So it's kind of not really, doesn't really bother me anymore. At the start when I was learning it did, because I didn't want to overtrade and stuff like that, but now when I don't need to really care about that anymore. So that's all it is. Goldie's gonna pop up over here. 12 minutes left for this 30 closure. Making a W formation as well. So yeah, 12 minutes left for this 30 close. This 4 hour looks great to continue here.
Yo, Max, it's Tyler.
Hello, Tyler, my man. How you doing, brother? You've been busy, boy.
Good. Hey, I figured out what's wrong with the sheet. I'll get it uploaded. It's taking all the trades, not just the ones that so it's including your break evens.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. What, and they're counting them as losses, or?
It's the denominator is higher than it should be.
Okay, yeah. So it moves the percentages down. I didn't think it might be that.
Yeah, whereas the other ones, they count it as which ones were wins or losses.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah, so I'll fix that.
Cheers, my boy. I hope you're doing well, brother. I'm glad you caught that this morning.
Yeah, it's trying to be on a regular sleep schedule. Out here in California, that's kind of hard.
Yeah, that's true. It's a bit of a pain, isn't it? The California one is not the best.
Yeah. It's probably the worst time zone.
Yeah, I think it is. By far.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, I'll get that updated, but I'm about to go to sleep. I caught one trade good enough for me for the night.
Exactly. Lovely stuff. See you later, brother.
All right, brother. Later.
He's the one who makes my journal. He sorts this out for me. He's a good coder. Look at that though, 73% win rate so far this year. It's been pretty good. Very nice. Max thoughts on Newcastle getting top 4. That'd be beautiful. I think they're gonna do it. You know, I think they're playing really well. I think they've got a good team. They work hard. I think they're gonna get it. They battered Manchester United in that last game. I work nights so it's easier, nights off no, I just stay up. That's straight on. Sleep at 11 AM, oh my god. Max, can you ask Newcastle to help Man U? Please take Maguire off our hands. We have an 80% chance to go to Sky Sports. Really? Shit, that's pretty good. Because we've got a game in hand, I think. Who's that against? Aston Villa or something. Aston Villa have been playing well, to be fair, but I think we should be good. Isaac's fucking playing well as well now. Like, it's good. Not in the cup though, Max. No, not in the cup. We did not play well in the cup. Sometimes the pressure just get to them, and that's what the best teams do, man. They just perform on the big days. It's the same with City, man. City just, obviously the Prem is long lasting, but when it comes to like the really the games they just got to dominate, they just sometimes they just don't go on all cylinders. I like Isaac, good player. Yeah, he is. He's a decent player. Manu's giving Harry's for free, please take it. Are they actually getting them out for free? Oh my god. So we've got 8 minutes left for potentially a gold closure over here. So there's another shooting in America. Great. What are they gonna do with that, man? Because it's fucking it's every week. Yeah, this GJ is messing too much for me. I don't really like how it's pulling down pretty much every single 30 seconds. So we'll see. London isn't better. But there's not like a... I don't hear on the news that much though. So yeah, we've got 6 minutes left. 6 minutes. So yeah, today we'll be doing a simulation session at 2:30. So that'll be good. Another simulation session. Which simulation are we going to be doing today? Let's take a look. Let's see which one we'll be doing. I think, yeah, we'll be doing October on gold. It was quite good on GJ. There was quite a lot of wins on GJ, so 6 wins at 1 break even, so hopefully gold will be good as well. Overall for that year, looking pretty nice as well. 120%, 83%. Very nice. Max, serious question. Do you like trading during mid-London session like 10 to 11, or do you just chill and wait till NY? I wait until 11 o'clock. I won't really trade between 10 and 11 unless there's like a significant closure that hasn't happened in London session. For the most part, I'll wait till 11 o'clock, but really focus at 12. But yeah, there's sometimes moves at like 11 till 12, and just depending on the day. But yeah, I normally miss like 9:30 till 11 is like the gap that I have, and that's when I go to the gym normally. Yeah. Damn. How much a stop's gonna be here? Ooh, quite big stops. Oh, I could use maybe 15. We'll see. Might put it below that level there, save me. I could maybe put it like there, save me like 7 pips. Maybe like below that support there, 1998. 8. Max, what are your thoughts on the USA economy at the moment? Not looking too good. There's a lot of issues with unemployment, I think. What's the gold buy price? So like 2002, this kind of area here. I want to see if we can get a nice closure. Let me just take a look to the left. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, we could just use actually previous 15.
Do you also see that gap on your IC markets?
Let me see it.
Above.
Above. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. Yep.
It looks good. It's just I don't know if I want to take another trade.
The only thing is on the hourly, I'd want it a little bit higher up, like there, because that's the only thing that's putting me off. How does that look like on the 15? Yeah, I think maybe a closure above 300, 2003, 647. Maybe a little bit easier. Because realistically, actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for that. Because if you look here, we've got a lot of wicks there. We've got a wick there. We've got wicks there. So yeah, I think it's much easier actually above 2003.6. Yeah. I think that would be much easier. So sometimes, like you see there, like maybe my zone was a bit off, but does that mean that I stick with it and go, no, I'm always right? No, I kind of, you know, sometimes I gotta maybe look and I go, you know what, actually, if I'm just gonna highlight this zone that I was gonna potentially trade in before we get to that support here, what do I have in that zone? I've got wicks, wick there, wicks there. If I just wait a little bit further up, I'm gonna have a much better trade. Because what do I have above there? I've got a clean candle there, I've got a clean candle there, I've got a clean candle there, I've got a clean candles there. So it's kind of going through that motion and just finding the zones. It's very, very simple. Once you can just see it, it's pretty simple. You just gotta go in the Sims and find out. Pretty much, that's all you gotta do. Yeah, I think that's better. I agree. Also, this didn't really close anywhere above. That's nice, and it also wicked at that level, so I don't really like it. GJ is nutting again. It's actually closed below on the 15 and actually on the 30 as well, but it's just, I mean, it's just messing around a little bit. The last candle I thought was going to do it, and it just wicked all the way back up. Also, the hourly, it closed very strongly, so I don't know. I think it's also 50-minute support is right there. It needs to be quite clean on a GJ trade. The 30 minutes okay. Could paper it. Nice top wick as well. No. Nice M formation, closure below, retest, so it could be okay. What could you use? You could probably use previous 15 minutes. Yeah, it would be decent. Let's paper trade that then. Let's see if you got into it. Didn't really have time to look at it, but so you'd go right. 23 pip stops. Can I use any 15? Yeah, I can. I can use previous 15. That saves me 3 pips. The only issue, as I said, and the reason why I'm probably not taking it is this support here. So it already kind of came to the support. So it's a hard one. A little bit of a harder one. So yeah, we'll wait until 9 o'clock to potentially get this closure above, maybe in the 15-minute candle, but I'd prefer probably the hourly now, because if I get the hourly closure above this support, we're looking good, because we'll be closing it back above here. That would be great. That would be great success. GJ broke 5-minute trend retest. I have never looked at 5-minute trend lines on GJ, so I can't really comment, but good stuff. Works for you. So yeah, I mean, here now, I'd probably just go break even, hope it pushes. If you kept it on, because the hourly closed above, it's just retesting the levels. This could easily flip all the way back up and then drive again, which it seems to like to do today. So yeah, it's a little bit harder. It's a bit too bullish, I'd say, for the fake out, to be honest with you. It's not like it's normally with a fake out, it's quite easily planned, because you can see it. There's so much resistance, whereas here there isn't that much, apart from a previous 4 hour, which is tiny. It's pretty clean, and everything is still very, very bullish. So it's in terms of direction of the higher time frames. So it's a bit of a harder one. When was the last time you had a negative week? Maybe not negative. I had a break-even week recently, I think, in one of the weeks, maybe somewhere. But a negative one, I don't know. I do not know. Do your break-even cover your commissions? Yes. I put my break-even 1 pip in profit to cover commission. Yep. So yeah, I think that's a great little thing that we did there, because there is still res there and there's support there. So I'd rather close above 2003.6.
What's good now on GJ is if we close above that level again, we can continue up. What's good about GJ now is for later on.
Yep. Oh yes.
Because it almost always fills these green candles.
100%. Damn. Why is there love hearts on my screen? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? You're spamming stuff? So Goldie's still coming up. Still got a little while to get to there, but it should be good. So as I said, I'm going to wait for the hourly for this. I think I want to wait for that hourly to close below. So that might have stayed on. Obviously, if you break even now, you're up 10 pips. Should fill this zone. Supposed to break even on gold. Where did you get in? I'm in gold buys. Very nice.
How much did you get off that early entry, the M entry on GG?
I got, let me take a look. Where did I close? 1 second.
Closed early.
Yeah, but it came actually down and hit me out of break even on my runner.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
I got 14. Stop loss was 14. Yeah, I got 14.
So you got 1%.
Yeah. 1.4,
Nice.
yeah. Yeah, it's been like 2% this morning. It's not bad. We need more! I should have really taken that one, but I don't know, I feel it was just a bit too bullish for me. I didn't really like what the previous candles are doing either. But, see if this can fill the zone. It's another example of a fake out. So a fake out is when you get a closure above a range, closes back in the zone. So a fake out is called a closure back in the zone. I think that will help a lot of people who don't really get what a fake out is. It's closing back in a zone. So if this here is zone 1 and this here is zone 2, okay, even though the zone 2 is much larger, but it's made resistance there. We closed above, which is this bit here, and we close back in the zone, that bit there, that's the confirmation, top wick, flip, and there's the push.
And with that rejection as well, that's really nice to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, it was
this
pretty
is
good. Also an M
convenient.
formation as well. Fuck, I should have taken that. Dang it!
24 pips, 13 pips now. Stop loss break even.
How much would you be up? Yeah, 15, nice. Pretty sure I fixed that form issue, catching another video, my guy. Oh, cheers, my man, Tyler. Cheers, brother. Oh, yeah, you have. Much better. Much better. Yeah, I normally do, Louis, to be fair. Unless it's gold. Gold, I'll always take them, really. But yeah, that's why I'd probably pussied out of that one, to be honest. It's a bit too bullish for my liking.
Did you see Dom's trade yesterday?
Yeah, he got in. I'm surprised he didn't get slapped on these ones, though. Maybe he held, but yeah, it was nice.
He was on his phone the whole time. He wasn't even streaming.
Yeah.
He did a sick thing. He like screen recorded it, and then when he went back to it, it was like at 14,000.
Yeah. Yes. I don't know if he got in. For me, I think he may have got in.
He got in early.
He may have got in there, held all that drawdowns. You held 60 pip drawdown, but stop loss was maybe there.
I think he got in.
Because that's the first 5-minute closure below the zone. So I'm assuming he either took that one, or he got in.
I think he got in at 1625, because that's what I saw.
Wait, what?
I went to
1620. No, you mean 19.
I mean 1920. No, I mean time. Oh, 1625 my time. Was that 3:25 your
So
time?
maybe when it came back down there, he got in. Yeah, that's fair. Very nice.
I did call it on the group chat as well. I said if we break these wicks, we're dropping at least 30 pips.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna take this trade, but I had to go pick up Caitlin. Mate, the amount of fucking trades I've missed. Because look, this 30 minutes closed bearish below. Stop loss above the previous candle, which would be there for 63 pips. The zone below, though, is clean all the way down to there for 90, 100. So I would have taken that trade. Where would have been TP1? TP1 would have been there. That's where the clean candle finishes. So that was decent. I took that 30-minute closure.
Rejected as well.
Nice. You got break even. Did it push down first? Yeah, it was a bit messy, wasn't it? Oh, it was messy. Yeah, it wasn't as clean as it just looks like on the 30. You went into a little bit of profit there, came back up. Yeah, break even's pretty reasonable there.
But you see that wick that we closed bullish, and then we wick up a lot, and then we flip again.
Yeah.
That shit happens so often.
much.
And then
Yeah,
you could enter on that one.
Yeah.
And then if you enter on that one, you're good.
Well, it happened over here, didn't it, with my trade that I took?
Yeah.
You could have took it. You could have taken that sell there. Stop loss above there.
The one from yesterday, it even closed under, so you had even more chance. This was just it just drove.
Yeah. Very true.
I feel like I win more on sells than on buys.
Yeah, everyone does. Sells work out much easier. When something wants to drop, it'll happily drop out of the sky. Buys are always a bit of a pain in the ass. I always like to close earlier on buys. For sells, I like to maybe hold a little bit longer.
Goldie trying again.
Yep.
I see this so much, like a 5-minute rejects and then closes with no wick, and then the next 5 minutes just breaks the high and
Pops up, yeah. If you profile, why don't you? Because I just like to keep it personal. I don't need to. And also, to be fair, Don and Wix, well, Don says I wish I never did it, and Wix is like, yeah, I'm not going to do it. So I'm like, well, for me, it's not about the personal of the money that I'm going to make. You know, if the trading is good, I get people to watch. That's all that matters. So, and also for me, my Instagram has never been about money or flexing, so I just don't think there's any point. For example, if you look at my account, do you see any flex in there apart from just knowledge and education? So it's just my brand. Why would I? Oh guys, I made X amount and look at this. It's just not what I'm about. It's not what I grew it to be. It's not what I plan to do. So I just do my thing, you know. Some people can be different. It's okay. If you don't like it, don't have to watch. MT5 history can be fake, live called, trades can't. Exactly. So it's like, well, what am I going to gain out of it? I'm going to get the fucking tax man on my ass. That's what's going to happen. So. TP1 2005. Yeah, 2005. Would sound like that area would be okay, yeah. It looks like this 15 is going to close, but as I say, I kind of want to wait for this hourly, because this hourly can still reject at any point here on the support. So I think I'm going to wait for this hourly, guys.
I'm not going to take it, but I think it's good now. Look at this 5 minutes.
Yeah. Looks good, looks good. So could you look for sells below 165, 187? I mean, it's very clean. What happened to the left here? Yeah, it's damn clean, to be honest with you. So you could potentially take it now, because now we've rejected the highs. There's no real worry. You should potentially, if you've got a nice closure below here, in NY session, nice little top wick, nice little flip. Could fill that zone. TP1 would be there. TP2 would be there. Could be quite nice for later on. Or now we'll just look for buys above as well. So it's good. Very nice. 50-minute didn't even close anyway above, so that's fine. So just gotta wait 14 more minutes. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already, guys. Share the live as well if you haven't already. Yeah, also there's still a lot of scammers on Instagram using my name, so please, if I'm asking you to send you crypto or whatever, and it's not like on this account, I'll post the link. But if it's not on this account with 31,000 followers, I may just buy that verify thing so people know it's me, because it's not fair on people. Because the amount of fucking messages I get a day of another scammer trying to nick crypto off someone.
Can you already buy it?
Yeah, I think you can, but you have to buy it separately for Instagram and not Facebook. So I'm gonna have to look and see.
I think gold is good now.
MX.
Hello.
Yo, it's Tyler.
Yo, my man.
Hey, you can buy it through that Instagram app if it's available in your area.
Can you? Where do you go to it though?
So, yeah, if you in the settings.
Yeah.
So go to your profile, then go over to the settings, scroll down, and it'll say Meta Verified.
I might have to update the app. I've only got. Oh wait, I've got Meta Account Center. I've got security, privacy.
So like I'm on my profile right now. Top right corner, you got the 3 lines.
Yep.
And then once I hit those 3 lines towards the bottom, it says Meta Verified.
Oh, I think I might have to update the app. That's probably it. I think I have to update the app. Yeah, I do. Let's see if I update it. Because I don't have that.
You on iPhone or Android?
iPhone. Yeah. Just uploading it now. Yeah, because that'll save a lot of bullshit, to be fair.
Yeah, because I follow your regular one. But I probably get 1 or 2 people trying to be you every month.
Yeah, it's not the best. Let's see. Right, so I've gone on the 3 things. I've gone settings, or just not on settings at all.
Don't go to settings.
Okay, so I don't go on that, and I've literally got your activity, archive, insights, QR code, saved basket, order and payments, close friends.
Is yours a business account or personal?
I have no idea.
You have a business account, huh?
I have no idea. Yeah.
So it's not available for business accounts yet.
Oh, okay. What even does a business account even do?
That makes no sense. So you could buy it for your personal, but not for your business.
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't even know why I have I think the reason why I have a business is because I can look at my analytics, whereas like properly the professional dashboard.
Yeah.
I'll have to wait a little bit longer. Fair dues.
Well, never mind.
Yeah. Back to bed you go, Tyler.
All right. Good night, Kilo.
Good night, brother. Cheers, my man.
Later, man.
Let's do a little whirl over here while we're waiting for this Goldie trade. I do not know. Yeah, so Goldie's still hovering there, but it is a big support, so that's why I'm not rushing to get in. I think a lot of other streamers have got in over here, but I'm just waiting a little bit longer. I don't want to be trapped in getting in this trade, because you can see here in the hourly time frame, right? This could easily just reject. I mean, it's so I really need that closure above. That is what I need. That is what I need. Settings, account type, tools. Okay, let's see if settings. See if it's there. Ah, there, request verification. Ah, found it. Sick. Sick. Okay, I'll do it. I found it. Thank you, my man. So you can see now everyone getting into gold a bit too early is going to be shitting their pants now, but that's what you get when you don't wait for a closure. It can be sometimes a little bit scary. A little bit sweaty ballsy. Down. But yeah, great time to be back. I've missed the stream. It's been good fun. And in terms of this morning, you can go back and look at the stream. You know, we marked out the zones that I wanted, took advantage of them when we had good volume. Yeah, boy. Right, let's fucking finish this Wordle. 5-minute chess game. Well, we'll see. If it doesn't get this closure, then we'll play some chess and then we'll leave it, I think. I'm trying to think of a word. Is Atashi not here? Atashi, help me the fuck out of here, bro. I need some help. Clams. Well, the L's not meant to be there, but it could give us another sign for something. Okay, there's an M as well. Tashi's in the building. My trading view is bugged. Whenever I go back to my chart on gold, it gives me the FX liquidity provider, not my Awanda. Oh, that's annoying. That's very annoying. Lomi. Ooh, Lomi. Oh, no. So L's not there, L's not there. So it must be there or there. AL sounds right, so ALY, Ali? Oh no, there's no Y, fuck's sake. Als. Bloody hard one, mate. Qualm. What is that fucking word, bro? Qualm. Ah, smashed it. Smashed it. Smashed it at the park as usual. stop loss would be like 2090. So if it goes like there, yeah, like 30 pips. Fair dues. Two minutes left. So there we go. I mean, first take profit on the fake out would be like there. Take profit 2 would be there. Take profit 3 would be there. You just look at where supports are, right? So first support is there. Second support is like down there. Third support / resistance is there. Just where levels could have trouble. That's all. That's all I'm marking out. Five minutes just rejected the high again. It could happen again. A bearish candle. Would it be where I want to take anything? No, because I think the sells would be back in this zone here. Back below here would be great for sells later on. They'd be tremendous. Yeah. Look at that, the rejection. Oh. Not liking them highs. So closing now isn't going to close where I want it to, so that's okay. Let's play a little game of chessy boy. Louis, I'll play you in NY. Play you in New York. We done for London, got to dip. Yeah, Harry, I think we're probably done maybe at 9:30 if we get a closure above, but the hourly hasn't really closed, so it's kind of pissed me off a little bit. Yeah, I don't think it's ready yet. I don't think it's ready yet. So I've just taken that. Yeah, but I can just kill my queen. Yeah, I wouldn't use Awanda. Why don't you just use IC Markets, bro? They are the best, the biggest broker. It's the one that I'm affiliated with. It's the one I've used for probably 6 years. So if you do want a broker, make sure to go sign up to IC Markets. The best spreads. I'll show you the spreads right now. Gold is on 0 spread. 0 spread. I repeat, gold is on 0 spread. Can US use IC? No, unfortunately US can't. That's the only people that can't, I think. Unfortunately. Well, the spreads on GJ right now. GJ is 1 pip spreads as well. Should I just take? I'm gonna move this first. Yeah, we will move there. Max celery play on gold? For what? A buy? It's never closed above at all, so no, it's not. It's not like it's broke the zone, it's ready to push. It's just rejected, unfortunately. I don't like how this queen can come there and be safe. Oh shit, yeah. You're too ahead of the game, brother.
Max, go with the knight, grab the pawn, and then he needs to... Oh no. Because he can eat you with the other pawn. Yeah. I want my rematch today, yeah?
Yeah, when we're in NY and we're waiting for a trade, we play some chess over here. Oh yes. Yeah, people on the YouTube we play some chess. Dollar seems to be pretty good, but I whooped his ass. I don't want a rematch. Fuck that, he's got nearly 1,000 ELO. Fuck that. I'll take my win and leave. Should I just go take? Yeah, fuck it. I'm still sleeping rough because of the bet. Why is he thinking so hard in this? All he's got to do is either move his king or queen. What are you doing, bro? Okay, so should I not just get these out, maybe? Well, I'll just get these out. Oh, you can just kill my fucking horse! No! Oh no, that was a boo-boo. He's gonna go for my castle.
No, pressure with the pawn.
Oh, yeah.
And then if he takes that, you can take him with your horse.
Yeah. Hey Max, do you know why the queen is so powerful in chess? Why? Is this going to be an Andrew Tate quote?
Yeah, I was about to say that. Yeah, she could jump around the board. It reflects life. You can start attacking his castle with your queen.
Yeah. That's true. Wait, where can I go here? I can't really still go anywhere though. Look at GJ rebounding on support. Yeah, that was what I was worried for the fake out. Fucking hell, GJ is on one today. Look at these candles, bro. It's pretty. They're very strong candles. You can get some trades in them, but they're not really finding direction yet. I could just move it there, couldn't I? He's on to me. Oh shit! Didn't mean to do that. Ah, he's fucked me. He's got 628. Why they put me against people who are like 50 above me though? Yeah, I'm pretty fucked now, aren't I? I don't know where to go. Ah, shit. Oh, he's done me. No, 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 no. He fucked me up. No. No. Okay, so yeah, in terms of Goldie now, I mean, it's still got 18 minutes left. This 30 to close, so we should probably just wait. We shall wait. We shall wait for the 30 to close. You're stuffed. Wait, I got stuffed up there. New. If you decide to wait, it'll be too late. Well, that's fine. But there's still no close yet. Could do whatever it wants. It is not closing yet. So I will wait. Let's go on my protein.
Look at that push.
And hey, look at GJ, man. Wild.
Gold as well. Gold closed above. So.
On what?
On the 1 hour.
It didn't, it closed above there, but not above this support. I need this 30 to close above this 2003.6. Yeah, I moved it up. Don't think you were here. Yeah, I moved it up a little bit.
Yeah, to be honest with you, still want the sells.
For me, that zone is just a little bit choppy, whereas above here is pretty clean to 2005.7.
It matches on the 15 as well.
Yeah. Oh, we could do 15 closure, yeah. We could do 15 closure, maybe. In a minute's time if it closes, but I prefer the 30 to be honest with you. Dum dum dum.
Oh.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Had entry in the hourly since it closed above to retest back the highs. Very nice. So it still hasn't closed above. I'm still gonna have to wait for this 30. It's fine, like, you know, it may potentially run off over here, but I know that this is a very strong level, and I just want to wait for that extra confirmation. If that means that I miss the trade in the next candle, well, that's fine. Right, be 2 minutes, guys. Just quick go to get a drink. Oh, look at that rejection on GJ. Again, GJ is on something today. It's looking a little bit choppy for my liking at the moment here. Bro, that's like the biggest hoodie I've ever seen. Yeah, it's like a onesie hoodie. It's beautiful. It's the comfiest thing ever. It's very nice. It's very cozy. Max, isn't it the gap? No, the gap starts at 10. It's 9:30, 9:19. Doo-doo. 10 minutes left. Still hovering around this level. Could it break without me? 100%, but I think the zone is decent enough. There's only 10 minutes left for this one next closure. We need to fill this daily gap on gold from the weekend. Yeah, 100%. That would be good. That would be pretty nice. Broke the high. Oh, nearly broke the high. Down, down, down. What's GJ doing? Dying. take a look at the 1 minute. Oh, first closure above. 7 minutes left. It may just go without me here. May just go without me. Bullish on UJ, question mark. I have no idea. I haven't checked it. No idea. So, good stuff. If you got into that trade there, stop loss would have been 26 pips. You're up like 12. Probably go break even. See if it pushes. At 2007. Is that where it starts? Oh, there we go. Meow. 2007 it would fill. Ah, fair. Beautiful. First 5 minute closure as well. This 4 hours ready to go. Don't go without me, Goldie. Right, someone asked in the chat, you're going to leave Goldie now as it's the gap. It's not the gap yet. The gap starts at 10. So yeah, if you wanted to be maybe a bit more impulsive there, break the highs there, would have worked out. After a bullish closure, not bad, not bad. Yeah, the only issue is kind of stops and stuff. That's the only kind of... Let's take a look to the left-hand side here. Yeah, it's still pretty clean above to like 2009 on my screen. It's not bad. But delete it, now I regret it. Top the impulse to the break of the high, now break even stops were a bit iffy, but reduced risk right now. Nice, well done. Well done. The weekly about to potentially flip. Oh, it is. Very nice. Yep. Yeah, GJ's just messing around in this area now. It's not really doing too much. So I have to wait until later on when NY comes about. NY will be pretty clean, I think. Weekly daily flip looks nice to go bullish. Yeah. Close this candle, please. Yeah, so on my terminal, the 206 here is the little bit of traffic. Right at 206. So it just needs to really close above there. And then we can continue. Yeah, yeah, it was beautiful. Down Heather. So we closed. We did close kind of above. The zone is still pretty huge to 2010. See if we can potentially make a lower wick over here. Such a nice strong closure in that zone, man. It's bloody beautiful. Stop loss is going to be 30 pips. 2010 is going to be a great area for us to continue to as well. Entry on the, probably the break of the current high. 2078. Do 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 do. Oh, I can't see my fucking screen anymore. Great. Oh, there we go. Okay, beautiful. So I have a buy stop on over here. Break of the current high to continue to fill this zone to 2010. Stop loss is previous 15-minute there in the previous zone. Oh yes, oh yes. Do 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 do. Yep. Hopefully this wick does that. That's a good lower wick now. Down, doom, doo doom. Doo doo doom doom. Do you swing trade? No. Sometimes the runners do, but mainly not. There's just no point for me. There we break even. You in? No. Hasn't broke the high yet. I'll tell you when I'm in. Down, 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 down. Still making a little wick. Still got a lot of time though. It's only 5 minutes into this 30-minute. Max, don't you think this is clear resistance to the left? For me, this is when the candle opened through the weekend. So it's not actually, this is all fugazi. This is just when price opened up. This is all really clean from here. Down, 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 down. Let me take a look at my terminal here. Beautiful bottom wick. Previous 30-minute stops? No, I'm using previous 15. GJ sell now? Question mark. It's just in the zone, man. On my terminal it did though, so I'm not really too asked about that, to be honest. But a 30 did anyway. Down, 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 down. I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour to close. 90 minutes left. Yeah, you can do. You can do. My spread in gold is 8 pips. Oh my god. It's sure it's not just the 8 ticker, so it's actually 0.8 of a pip. Right, guys, I think this lack of volume is kind of putting me off now. I kind of wanted it to just push and continue. It's kind of slowing down, so I think I'm just going to delete it, mate. Yeah, so I've deleted it. It's taken too long. I don't really like getting into, especially a gold trade where we've already had a big push. For continuation, I need it to drive straight away, because what can potentially happen is price can make a high, come back down, retest for ages, then continue close bullish at 12 o'clock, and then we can take the buy anyway. So because we haven't had that instant push straight away, I'm happily leaving this. So yeah, job done. Our job here is done. We'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, different day. That's all that changes. If you guys do want to join us for NY session, we'll start today at 12 o'clock as usual. And yeah, one second. There's the link for the mentorship. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Peace out. See you guys later. Adios, adios, adios. Peace out, guys. Adios, adios, amigos. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, squad. Adios.